Welcome back to the EJ Ward Fuel View training series. In this video, we're going to be going over Vehicle Terminal Authorization. Vehicle Terminal Authorization is something that is not put into everybody's system from the beginning, but you can call EJ Ward and we'll be able to activate that for you. And really all it is you can pick and choose which terminals a vehicle can fuel at. So there's two ways of setting this up right now that we have. And one way is being able to select all the terminals that you want it to fuel at, or to select all the terminals that you do not want to fuel at. To get to it, we need to drop down the Asset Management folder, and then we can go to Vehicle Terminal Authorizations. From here, you're going to see a familiar list. It looks just like the vehicles table, and it is every vehicle that you have. So I have my vehicle that we added in the vehicles video that we did. We're going to go ahead and click on that. Once that loads up, it's going to look a little different than the vehicle record. So what we have here is a list of our terminals on the left-hand side. It will show at the bottom which way you have it set up with. So this one is vehicles will only be authorized to fuel sites that are listed on the right-hand panel. So right now this vehicle can't fuel at any terminal. To do that, we simply can select one, or we can hold down Shift and select multiples. You can also hold down Control. So Shift is going to select everything in between what you're clicking on and what you have selected already, and Control is just going to do each individual one. So let's click on those, and let's say we don't want to do Midtown, and we're going to do Parks and Rec, and that's it for this. After we have that, we're just going to click on the arrow that's going to the right-hand side. And now this vehicle, once I save this, is going to be able to fuel at all of these different terminals, but it's not going to be able to fuel to the terminals on the left-hand side. If I want to take a terminal away, let's say that vehicle doesn't need to be going to waste management anymore, we can go ahead and click on the other arrow going to the left-hand side, click on that, and now that vehicle cannot fuel at that terminal. We go ahead and click on save, and it will save that vehicle's authorization information. So if I go to any of the sites on the left-hand side, it's just going to give me an unauthorized ID. But if I go to the sites on the right-hand side, or the terminals on the right-hand side, I'm going to be able to fuel at all of those. And that concludes our video on vehicle terminal authorizations and how to use it. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.